I'm I just watched a video on TMZ, and this guy and his family came up with a 5-minute exercise every day that will really help with strengthening no matter what your condition is. Well, I do one dance and I'm losing my breath and my legs are really sore. That's because I spent 80% of my time in bed for 5 years. And I'm going to do what I used to do to get ready for skiing. Now, squats are really simple, okay? That's all I have to do is 10 of those, okay? And this is more for me than anything because I got to remind myself to do this. And the other one is a counter push-up. And if you, it's more a stretch than anything, but it also helps the arms. But by bending down, I've shown this one before. Ski instructor showed me that. And do that 10 times. And then there's another one. See, I've got this big tumor, hey, feeding off a main artery, and I'm really weak, and my legs are sore a lot now. So, to get ready for ski season, you see, what this is doing is pushing and stretching the calf. And you do each side, go as far as you can, and when it hurts, stop. And you do that 10 times. And you just hold it for a minute and stop. And you're not overdoing it or anything. And you just do that. And it's like a leg lunge. And then another one is you would be surprised. Oh, I'm already out of breath. See what I mean? That's a belly dance thing. But it just shakes your whole body. And another one, I do this already all the time, is, if you can see that, is push your stomach out, push it in, push your stomach out and push it in. And that's really simple. And then I can't go upside down too far because I start to faint and I get dizzy. Let's see, the belly dance thing, oh, I'm already out of breath. But I'm going to start doing that for half an hour every day, well, or 5 minutes, however long I can manage, because I gotta get my body in shape. But this is a really good one. Ouch. Yeah, it hurts, but anyway. Just 10 times each one. Even if it's only 10 minutes, it's going to make a difference. I'll see what happens. But right now, I went dancing and my legs are so sore, it's unbelievable. I got to strengthen my legs. Over and out.